Hello students. In your previous class, already you have learnt about area and perimeter of few plane figures like square and rectangle, right? Then can you tell me what is area? Then what is perimeter? Area, the space occupied by a plane figure or the space inside the boundary of a plane figure is called area. Then what is perimeter? The length of boundary of a plane figure is known as perimeter. So, in today's class, we are going to discuss about area and perimeter of one more plane figure, that is circle. Here you can see area, the space occupied by a plane figure. Look at this figure. In this picture, the shaded part is known as its area. This is the space. In this circle, the space occupied by a plane figure is known as its area. Perimeter, the length of the boundary of a plane figure. The edge of this circle is known as its perimeter. This is the length of this edge or the distance around this circle is known as its perimeter. Before going to discuss about area and perimeter of circle, let's see what is circle. Circle is closed two-dimensional curved shape. Look at this picture. This is closed plane figure. Closed two-dimensional closed and curved shape. Now let's see some important terms related to circle or some important parts of the circle. See here. These are the parts of the circle. In first figure, we can see the center. What is center of the circle? A point which is present exactly middle of the circle is called its center. See here, the point which is exactly present in a circle. And what is radius? In second figure, we see this is radius, the distance from the center of a circle. This is the center of a circle. The distance from the center of a circle to the point of the circle. The distance from the center of the circle to the point of the edge of the circle is known as radius. And what is diameter? See here, the length of the line through the center that touches two points on the edge of the circle. The length of the line, see, this is the length of the line through the center. The line passes through the center and touches two points on the circle. This is known as diameter. So, in today's class, we are going to discuss about area and perimeter of circle. First of all, let's see what is perimeter. Perimeter of a circle. Already I have mentioned the distance around the edge of the circle is known as its perimeter. Look at these two figures. This is the edge which is around the circle. The distance around the edge of the circle is known as its perimeter. The perimeter of circle is also known as the circumference of a circle. Now let's think, what are the ways to find out the circumference of these circles? What are the ways to get the circumference of this circle? Just imagine, I'll take a thread and wind that thread around this circle, and then I'll measure that thread. Then I'll measure the length of that thread. Then I'll get the circumference of a circle. Is this a right way to find out the circumference of a circle? No. Why? Because it is difficult to do so when the circle becomes larger and larger. For smaller circle, this method is Okay, but for larger and larger circle, this method is not right. Hence, we can use the formula to find out the circumference of the circle, that is pi into diameter, or pi into 2r, or pi into 2 pi r. Here we can see diameter is equal to 2r. Why diameter is equal to 2r? In this figure we can see the diameter is the twice the radius. In this line we can get 2 radius. So diameter is twice the radius. So the formula is circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. Let's see what is pi. In this formula we see pi. Pi is a Greek letter and spelled as pi, which is a special number. Pi is the ratio of circumference of the diameter of the circle. See here, pi is equal to the ratio of circumference and diameter. This is the circumference of a circle and this is a diameter. As pi is a ratio, it is the same number for any circle regardless of its size. Why? Because the value of pi is 3.14. 3.14 is the diameter, that is equal to 1 circumference. Therefore, for any circle, therefore value of pi is 3.14. Hence, the formula circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. Now, let's discuss about the area of a circle. This is a circle. We can find out the area of circle using the formula A is equal to pi r square. Why the formula A is equal to pi r square? Let's see. This is a circle. I'll cut this circle into small pieces like this and I'll arrange these pieces in this way. I arrange the pieces of this circle into this way. What you can see here, after arranging these pieces, we got the shape like rectangle. From this we can say that the area of circle is equal to the area of the rectangle. So area of circle is equal to area of rectangle. Can you guess the formula of area of rectangle? Yes, length into breadth. Here what is length? This is the length. Is this exactly the length of this rectangle? No. Half portion of the circle is below and half portion of the circle is above. So the length of the rectangle is half of the 2 pi r. Half of the circumference of this circle is the length of the rectangle. This is about length. The length is half of the circumference of the circle, that is half into 2 pi r. Then what is breadth? This is the height of the circle and which is equal to the radius of the circle. So breadth is equal to 2r. If we cancel these 2's, then we will get pi r square. So we got the formula A is equal to pi r square. This is about perimeter and area of the circle. Perimeter, we can find perimeter or circumference of a circle using the formula pi is equal to circumference of a diameter, or circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. This is the perimeter of a circle. Area is A is equal to pi r square, which is area of circle is equal to area of rectangle. From this we can get the area of circle is equal to pi r square. Now let's discuss about some exercises related to area and perimeter of circle. In first problem, find the circumference of the circle whose radius is 14 centimeter. In this problem, the radius of the circle is given, that is 14 centimeter. Then how to find the circumference of the circle? We need to use the formula circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Here we know the value of radius is 14 centimeter, which is given in the problem. Then what is about pi? The value of pi is 3.14, which is same for all circles. So now we need to put the values of radius and pi in this formula. 2 into 3.14, which is the value of pi, into 14, the value which is given in the problem, that is 14 centimeter. After substituting these values, we can get circumference is equal to 88 centimeter. This is about the problem to find out the circumference of the circle. Next problem, when the circumference of the circle is given, then we have to find the radius of the circle. What is the formula for circumference of the circle? That is 2 pi r. 42 is the circumference, that is equal to 2 into 3.14, that is into r. So we need to find out r. So 42 divided by 2 into 3.14, because circumference is equal to 2 pi r. When the value of r is unknown, then we have to use the formula like this. R is equal to circumference divided by 2 pi. So here we can get r is equal to 42 divided by 2 into 3.14. Then we get the value r is equal to 6.68 centimeter. This is the radius of the circle. Let's move to the next problem, which is related to area of a circle. Find the area of a circle whose radius is 7 centimeter. Here radius is given, that is 7 centimeter. What is the formula for area of a circle? That is A is equal to pi r square. Pi is 3.14, that is into r is 7, which is square. Radius is 7. 3.14 into 7 square. We'll get the value 154 centimeter square. The unit of area is centimeter square. Let's move to the next problem. Find the area of a circle whose diameter is 8.4 centimeter. Here the diameter is given. Already you know diameter is the twice the radius of a circle. So diameter is equal to 8.4 centimeter. That is radius is equal to d by 2. That is 8.4 divided by 2 will get the value 4.2. So let's find out the area of a circle. The formula which we can use to find the area of a circle is A is equal to pi r square. We'll put the value of radius in this formula, that is 3.14, which is the value of pi, into 4.2 whole square. That is the value of r, from which we got the value from the diameter. That is the area is 55.44 centimeter. This is about the area of circle. Hope you understood. Thank you.